Hi viewers, hope all of you are doing well. This video is a quick testimonial about Sammy's Amazon Selling Machine program. So speaking about myself, I'm a working professional. I started my Amazon journey in 2018. For about 2 years, I've sold a number of units but made no profit. That's because I'm a kind of person who always feel that I can do everything myself. I can learn everything on my own from YouTube and integrate in my business and scale up. That actually did not work. And after 2 years, when I really looked at my performance and when I was actually planning for my future, so I realized or I noticed a gap, that is absence of a mentor. Now, when I say mentor, it is not your friend who just gives a free advice. It should be a person who has done exactly what you wanted to do in life. So that is when I got to meet Sammy. I did have couple of chat conversations and then phone calls. So I did explain him where I am, what my journey is, and what my goals are. By the end of that conversation, I felt it's worth investing in this course and learning as much as possible from Sammy. So from Sammy's module, I did learn several aspects, right, from product research and then packaging, importing, being campaigning, customer service, and scaling your business beyond Amazon, etc. Several aspects. Now, by the time we finished this 3 month training program, I did launch a product, and my product has done about 80K in sales in 10 days, right? And right now, I'm happy that I've taken that conscious call to invest in Sammy's program without getting into that thinking process whether to invest or not, or if I could learn everything from YouTube and do it on everything on my own. So I would also say that Amazon is for people who actually, really have that rigor to do something. Now, if you have that rigor and if you have a trainer like Sammy, you would definitely try. If you do not have that rigor and if you are just dependent upon trainer, I don't think you will succeed. Right? So and in terms of cost and value, so Sammy, what Sammy charges is the lowest in Indian market, and the value is at par with what many of the YouTube gurus provide either in US or in India. So just go for it, go for Sammy's program. And another aspect to make a note of, Amazon is not a get rich quick scheme. It's a journey. It's a real business. You'll have to learn. You'll have to understand. You'll have to integrate. You'll have to apply whatever you learned. And there will always be ups and downs, but the fundamentals will remain the same. And this is an excellent platform. Sammy's Amazon Selling Machine program is an excellent platform for you to equip or to learn the essential skills that are required to thrive in this journey or business. I hope this video helps you, and this is a honest feedback. And I'm pretty confident that this video will definitely help you come out of that syndrome, that is whether to invest or not. I mean, go for it, invest, gain as much knowledge as possible, and then apply. Thank you very much. Thank you all. Thank you, Sami, for giving me this opportunity. Have a nice day. Bye.